Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Knowledge. This is Yamin, and today I'll show you how you can search data in Laravel. So you can see some data and image over here, and I am getting all those image from this table called personal. Okay, so let's go to our project. This is our project, and if we go inside resource and then views, and over here you can see home.blade.php. You can see for each dollar data as data name, data email, and data file, and from here we are actually showing all this data. So let's create a search option over here. So I will keep the search option inside the form. Let's say input type will be text and the name will be search, and then we will have a submit form. Input type will be submit, and we'll give it a value search. Let's save it, and let's go and check how it looks. Okay, we have a search option over here right now. So we will add over here action and then method. So the method will be get, since we will be getting data from the database, and let's declare a action. Let's say URL search. Let's save it. Now we don't have this route, so we need to create this route. So for this we need to go inside route and then web.php. Over here we will create that route, so I will just copy this route and paste it over here. We'll say $/search. So what will happen is that if someone clicks search, then it will automatically hit over here search, and let's say the class name will be search as well. Okay, so we are going to use the same controller, show controller, and we need to create this function inside show controller. So let's go to our controller app, then http controllers show controller. Over here we will create a function, public function search. And over here I'm going, and since we are getting data from the database, so we need to say request $request. Okay, so I'm going to copy some code over here. I'm just going to copy this one and paste over here, Control V. So what this line will do is that it will take the input data from my home.blade.php. So whatever we write inside over here, it will automatically come save in this search that input. Okay, so let's copy another line, which is this one. Control C, Control V. So here you can see that data equal to personal and then query. Personal is actually our database name, which is this one, personal, and we are using name to search our data. So we will be using name to search our data, and that's all actually. And another thing, you need to add personal model over here as well, otherwise the search on org. So only just online left, which is this one, return view home comma compact data. Okay, So also you need to make sure that over here we use data name, data email, so for each inside data, right? So you also need to use this data variable, okay, and return this data to home.bread.php. So I hope you get it, and let's save everything. So now let's refresh. Okay, let's say Batman. Here you can see only Batman, so let's say Superman now. Okay, we can see Superman. So let's say you also want to search by both name and email, right? So for this you just need to make a small change over here. I'm just going to copy this one and paste over here. So if you want to search by email as well, you just need to add over here email, control S, email, right? Our database name is email. Okay, so over here we just need to add or where email like. Okay, so let's save it and let's refresh again. Okay, let's copy this email, superman@super.com. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Let's search. Okay, it's also working perfectly. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you are able to learn and understand how you can make search in Laravel. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, and if you want to support me, please subscribe this channel. And thank you very much again for watching this video.